The 20th edition of the Honorable Wallang Richards Unity Tournament taking place in Womb, Chief Town of Menchum Division, has reached the semi-final phase. During the first quarter-final game played on Friday, August 2, Ndambaliwa defeated Santa Barbara on post-match penalty 3-2 after the game ended on 1-1 tie.
I feel very happy because this is academy that we just started training them for about 3 months to 4 months now, and they are really doing it. So I'm very happy for them. They have that courage. If they continue like this, they will go further. They have qualified. I know they will make it. They will make it through the semi-finals, and I believe we will play the finals. I bring up the children with what I put into them. So I'm happy because they deliver what we are trying to put in them.
On Saturday, August 3, Atiko FC was overpowered by Powerhouse with 1-2.
It was not actually an easy match, but Powerhouse came prepared and we played well and we expect the winning. So I want to also thank Honorable Wallang for this wonderful gesture. Look at the massive population that came out to watch this encounter. It was so interesting. We say more kudos to him, and we pray that God will keep blessing him and enlarging his cause.
On Sunday, August 4th, JMB FC whitewashed Babas FC by 5-1. Meanwhile, St. Martin beat Young Stars by 4-0. The fixtures for the semi-final game of the 2024 Honorable Wallang Richards Unity Tournament is as follows. Powerhouse will face JMB FC. Meanwhile, Ndambaliwa will lock horns with St. Martin's Football Club.